and welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video on forex education like this. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple analysis that I made on step index on Deriv, how I analyze the chart, and in a very simple way. And you can actually copy this way of analysis and apply it to your strategy. So I actually made a very simple analysis on this chart, and I'm going to be showing you how I made all this analysis. I'm going to be cleaning up everything here. Don't worry, I'm still going to analyze it back the same way I did here, because I'm a technical analyst, so I can analyze, clean, and still analyze, and everything will still fall out the same way it is. That's what makes you a technical analyst. So you can see the step index, and you don't want to miss this analysis. So stick to this video and watch this video to the end, as I'm going to be showing you simple step. And remember, this is a top-down analysis. I actually did a top-down analysis on step index, and it resulted to this. So stick to me, as I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step on how I make this analysis. First of all, weekly time frame. So I'm going to be deleting everything. Let me delete everything so that you're going to see. I'm going to start afresh. I'm deleting everything right now. Delete this, delete this, and delete. I hope this thing is recording. Okay, it's recording. Go to delete time frame, delete this. I'm going to be deleting everything on this chart, so you just have to stick so that you actually know what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So what I did is that I went to a weekly time frame. Remember, I told you this is a top-down analysis. Looking at a weekly time frame, it shows me clearly that this market is in a downtrend, so you don't want to trade against the trend. So when the market is in a downtrend, you always want to trade according to the trend of the market. So what I did, I bring out my trend line tools. I drew out my trend line tools, and this is how it is. So drawing out my trend line tools like this. And you remember I told you before that for draw a valid trend line, you have to make sure it make at least 2 to 3 touches for you to make it validated. So looking at this, you can see price touched at this level. Price touched here and came back, touched here, then touched here. What do you think price is going to do? And remember, I told you that whenever price come back to make a third touch, it's always very strong. And this is price coming back to make a third touch there, and you see how price run to the downside. So this is like a very strong resistance, a trend line resistance. And I'm believing that whenever price comes to this level, it's going to pull to the downside. So you don't want to trade this alone. You have to use it with other confluences, which is levels and Fibonacci's and so whatever, moving averages. So you want to make use of other tools as confluence, so as for you to confirm your trade. But here we are only going to be drawing levels in the weekly time frame. So what I did here is that I bring out my horizontal line. So sorry, my horizontal line is not Fibonacci. I bring out my horizontal line, and before I draw out levels, I always turn my chart to a line chart, because you using a candlestick is just so confusing. So for you to draw out a valid support and resistance on your chart, you want to change your chart to a line chart. So this is a line chart, and looking very closely here, you can see that there's a level here. Sorry, you can see that there's a level here. So you might want to turn your line horizontal line to this level. So this level, price actually respected this level a lot. So there's another level here. I duplicate this horizontal line. There's another level here. Okay, there's another level here, and this other level that is not that clear, but I believe is a potential point where price is going to react to. So I'm still going to duplicate this, and I put it here. So the reason why I put this line here is because looking at the past history of the last price, you can see how price reacted to this point, and I believe there's also a reaction here. So this reaction will be very obvious when you switch to a daily time frame. So now let's go back to our candlestick chart. Now in the candlestick chart, you can see how it is. This is just how price reacts to these levels. So we're going to go to a daily time frame to actually see what price is doing. Now in a daily time frame, what are we looking out for? We are looking out for those current level where you believe price might want to react to also. So those level where price might want to react to also. So we'll switch to a line chart again. Now in a line chart, let's look at those levels where price might react to. So we have already drawn our levels, our potential levels from weekly time frame. So this is a level here. There's a level here. Okay, all right, let's do it like this. All right, you can see how price reacted to this level. You can see I want to make this a zone, but I don't want it to be too big, so because I don't like my chart being confusing. I just want it to be very simple and clear to me and other people watching. So now you can see how it is. Price reacted to this level. So I'm telling you that the price should come to this level again, it's going to react to it. Price should come to this level, it's still going to react to it. So this is a strong level because price actually react to these levels. Back. So After drawing this out, we switch to a candlestick to see how it is. You can see how price came to the same level, price rejected, price came to this level, price rejected, price reacted to this level, and price also reacted to this level. So this is like a potential resistance zone. This is a resistance zone that actually if price should come back to this level, there's going to be a reaction. There's going to be a reaction at that level. So after spotting this, seems to be some kind of support here. So I'm going to draw out the support from there. So I switch to the line chart and I plot out my support. Okay, let me duplicate this. Yeah, perfect. So this is support. This is a nice support level here, a very nice support level. And you can see actually how price made some kind of quick reaction here. Price made a quick reaction here. Price made a very nice quick reaction at that level. Price came here, there was a buy here, price came to this level again, bought to the upside, and price came here, bought, price came here. What do you think price is going to do? Is still going to buy to the upside, but we need more confirmation. Yes, we need more confirmation before taking any decision. So you have to take more confirmation before making any decision here. So this is a potential strong support line, and this is a strong resistance level, zone. So we go to a 4-hour time frame. Now in the 4-hour time frame, is where we also look for our current price action. Yes, look at price action, see, and if you look very closely, you can see price trying to create some kind of head and shoulder pattern here. And you know what head and shoulder pattern is? Whenever a head and shoulder pattern is being created, it means that, and this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Whenever a head and shoulder pattern or an inverse head and shoulder pattern is created, you know that price is likely to change its trend to either side. So now looking at this, we just can confirm this trade like that. So we make use of our trend line. I told you trend line is part of our strategy. Always make use of trend line. Make sure you draw your trend line accurately. So this is a trend line level, so I'm going to reduce this. I'm going to make this 2. I'm going to reduce this save. All right, so let's see how this works out. This is a trend line. So this is actually an inner. This is also a trend line from a 4-hour time frame. There's also another trend line here. There's another trend line here. So yeah, another trend line here. Here it goes. And you can see this was the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. The fourth touch, price break above, and this is like a retest, price retesting on this level. So there are levels here also. There are support levels here. Let me switch to the line chart. There are support levels here. So it's possible price might want to react to this point here. All right. Okay. So guys, this is just how it is. Very simple. You just have to keep your chart as simple as possible. Just keep your chart very simple. This is the only way you beat the market. You can't control the market. The only thing you just have to do is to trade according to the big guys. Trade according to what the big guys are trading. So it's possible that price might get to this level, come back, and before shooting to the upside. It's also possible that price might just break here, retest, and climb to the upside. So we are looking out for a potential sell from this level here. Price coming to this level, we'll be looking out for some sells. But looking at the overall movement of this market, you can see that this market is some kind of ranging. Let's go to a daily time frame so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see how price is somehow ranging around this level. So whatever decision you want to be making, you just have to be careful. So I don't want to take any sort of buy here. I'm going to wait for price to give me a sell signal, because the overall trend of this market is bearish. So you don't want to buy when the market is selling. So you just have to sell when the market is selling and buy when the market is buying. So you don't have to do any counter trend here. So I wait for a sell signal for me to go into this trade. Now coming back to our analysis, you can see how price reacted here. Price are breaking this, so it's possible that price is going to buy to the upside to this level. So I'm looking at this level for my sell signal. So now let's switch to a 1-hour time frame. Okay, it's recording. Let's switch to a 1-hour time frame. And please guys, if today is the first time you are coming across my video, I want you to subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video like this. Turn on your notification bell. So now looking at here, I'm going to draw out the trend line here, so as for me to know how this market is actually going. I told you I don't want to trade. I'm not going to be trading this. It's the setup is somehow tempting, but I'm not going to be trading it. I'm going to wait for a nice trade. For me to actually go into this trade. I'm going to wait. Doesn't matter how long you're going to take, but I'm going to wait for this. So it's a nice setup here. So I told you every third touch is very powerful, and price have already made the first touch here. So this is the first touch, and this is the second touch. The third touch, what do you think price is going to do? Price is going to buy to the upside. So if for some persons that want to enter into this trade, I would advise that you wait for price to actually break this level first and retest. When it retests, maybe give a double bottom, then you can go in for the trade, or it give you a candlestick confirmation, then you go in for the trade and target this level as your TP. So guys, this is just a simple way to analyze the market. A very simple way to analyze the market. So I'm believing price should do something like this. I'm believing price should do something like this. Retest here, and we are looking out for a nice buy here. We are looking out for a nice buy to this level. Very simple, guys. So this is what you should be looking at for on step index 200. So this is actually a 1 hour time frame. So look at it. Try looking out for price to break. Give me a candlestick formation. Already this is an Arami candlestick. This is an Arami candlestick, so it's possible. It's so damn possible that this is going to buy. See, price is giving an Arami candlestick after retesting on this trend line. So this, guys, is all I have for you on step index 200. If you really enjoyed this video and you need more of this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified, and whenever I drop an analysis like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, stay tuned and thanks for